Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and whether you're looking for a nice unbreakable set of dishes to use around your home or lightweight ones to take camping, I've found the perfect 16 set of wheat straw dishes from Rubtlamp. There are three main reasons that I love dishes that are made from wheat straw. The first one is that they are superior to plastic in that they can break down in a landfill and then be usable for plants. The second reason is that they don't break easily. I'm highly accident prone and maybe sometimes I do like to juggle my dishes, but I know that if these drop on the ground, they're not going to break. The third reason is that they are really pretty. I love the colors that I got in this set. They're on the gray scale, and so they have a really nice combination of light to dark, and I love the sizes of them too. The bowls are especially nice because even though they're smaller, they're deep, so you can really get a good bowl of soup or cereal. These are also great for camping, whether that's tent camping or RV camping, because they're lightweight and they stack nicely. This is the way to go if you're looking for that new set of dishes, and that's my point of view.